Try and say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Especially my mom.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, bro, this is my 5th time playing on Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sweet girl. What'd you get from Santa?
Y'all doing all right? Merry Christmas.
What up, boy? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, brother. My dog, man. Congrats, brother. Welcome back, baby. Y'all do me a favor? Can y'all pull up the score of the Laker game for me? On your phone?
Ooh, that was nice.
Hey, Tay, watch this, Tay.
Hey, yes, sir. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3, win.
Start on defense. Defense. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Brody. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas, bro.
Make it smoke. What up, boy? Merry Christmas. Oh, baby.
As much as you can, be in the paint. Help everywhere. Everywhere.
You get help. I'll get yours. You go corner.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Back cut.
Stop ball.
Come on, Tay. I got ball.
I got ball. Trying to work on this defense thing. Angle. Left cam.
Keep shooting. Everyone shooting with confidence. Everyone shooting.
You got to come off the pick because I'm going to hold it because they not trying to switch.
Hey, I like it. That's fine. Hey, we just got to trust that we can start here and work our way out. They got 4 shooters.
Patty Mills.
Hey, it's not that they're scoring, it's how they're scoring. Let's go. Everybody wake up off the ball. Get back to physical play like we did the first half.
Why can't I just be in the Christmas spirit, dog?
What's up, brother? Merry Christmas.
Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Hey, focus on getting stops. Just focus on getting stops.
Get out, Cal! Get out! Move!
Elbow.
KP, let's go!
Hey, that's nice.
Let's put together some stops right now. Best defensive quarter right now. Flip it around right now. Come on.
Pass, boy. Stay up.
Get through it.
Hey, stay here. All right here. Hey, keep it in front.
No threes, James.
Drop, H.
Hey, y'all working this right now.
Go this side of Grayson, like Grayson, and he can just pop straight up and get to the dunker. You know what I'm saying? Like hit.
Go around him.
Yeah, kind of go.
Okay.
I might have to catch and shoot. You want me to drive? Just read it? All right. I know. I like hearing what you have to say. Good job, Melly. That's me. Good job.
Come on, fellas. Just hold it down. 2 minutes. Come on.
Dunk the ball, Tay. When last time you dunked?
Today.
I seen you. I was in the training room. And I was watching on the
Hey!
Come on!
Oh!
And what?
It's your shot. Don't matter. Good.
Yeah, Patty. What's the vibe? Yeah, Patty.
Relax, boy.
Hey, next play.
Oh. Come here.
Yes, sir!
Yeah, shoot that. No! That was a great shot.
Hey, Bridges. You got Crowder.
K-Dot. You on TD watch. You on Trip Dub watch. I gotta get it for him. Woo!
Come on, boy.
Get you a board, I get you the assist. I'm getting old, Richard. I'm getting old.
Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, yeah! Merry Christmas, dog. That's your first one?
Good job, bro.
Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas.
I feel like players need to support each other way more. You know what I'm saying? Man, I appreciate it. For sure, keep going.
I'm gonna need that jersey, my boy.
Nah, I'm dead for real.
Hey, big time shots, boy. Big time shots.